Hi guys, it's Lucy. Welcome to my channel. As you can see from this title, I am doing Squishy Slip Challenge with Isabel.
Hello.
He's also been in lots of other videos. Not on
Cut
my channel.
myself.
Okay, so we've got these here. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Rock, paper, scissors. Who gets to look?
Right there. That really hurt.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I get to look. Okay, you saw my squishy. Okay.
Switch.
You saw my squishy nose done.
Yay, I get 1 point. What's the scent? What's the smell of this one?
Let me smell. Chemicals.
So 1 point to Isabel.
0 to me.
Right, who gets to choose the squishy first?
No, now we just carry on. Sorry, it's my turn to pick the squishy.
Okay. I'll close my eye. Are we allowed to look at the squishy or not?
What?
We're not allowed to look at the squishy when we pick it.
When we pick it, no, we're not.
Okay.
Have you been doing that?
Yeah. Have you done it?
Yep. Blindfolded.
Let me quickly get it ready. With the squishies.
Are you looking?
No, I've got my eyes closed. Are you looking?
No.
Oh, hello. Covered. Done.
You get to look in yours.
Okay. Okay, I need to close my eyes because I can't wait.
I want to keep.
Yes!
Yes!
So what one's better though?
Mine takes longer to sew, right?
No, it isn't.
Right, let's count.
Okay, right there. Mine's
And
still
we
coming.
both got a point because they're both
You ready? 3, 2, 1.
1.
Let go. Yours is up first.
No, it isn't.
It was! Look, okay, put it here.
Okay.
And you can watch. 3, 2, 1. Let go.
Was mine up first, is it? No, is it? You're not allowed to do that. I got the point because mine's still up. Mine wasn't still up. So this is going to be with me the whole video here. I'm joking, guys.
You said both get a point because they're both good squishies.
Yeah, but you made me do that. Okay, yeah. We're both getting a point this time because they're both slow risers.
I got 2 points.
I got 1.
But sometimes it's because they're better, but these two are both really good. So,
So,
my
yeah.
turn to pick the squishy. And I choose this one. I can't see the squishy, I'm just opening my eyes so that I can see.
Sorry if you hear background.
That's my brother, our brother. Oh, sorry, I didn't see.
He's on the potty. Alright. Okay. I get to look at mine, so turn around.
No.
Yeah, because you looked last time. I'm showing them. Okay. Last time I thought.
Ready? Keep.
Yes!
But
I got the macaroon. Which is my favourite.
I got this, so whose is better? Obviously that one's more surprising because it's bigger.
We both get a point because they're both.
It's good squishies.
There's only 2 more slow risers.
Ouch.
Ouch.
I've got 3 points.
No, I've got 2.
Oh,
So
got it.
I'm gonna go and pick the thingy.
Go and pick the squishy.
My baby girl's crying. Right, you can go and pick the squidgy.
I can't see, I just need. Wait, close your eyes.
Wait, guys, we might do an overshot video.
Done it. I get to look at my squishy.
Okay. Nick.
Close your eyes.
Done? I want this one.
No!
There you go. What is it? The unicorn!
Next time I get to pick. Well, this is a good squishy.
So I got the
point.
points.
You're on 3 and I'm on 3.
So guys, my baby brother ripped off the ears, the thingy, and nearly the head.
Now I get to choose it first.
So that's what I'm going to do to his dinosaur one. I am dressed, you idiot.
Jenny, close
Jesus
your eyes.
Christ. Would I
Close
do
your
a
eyes.
video in my pyjamas? Yes, because I've already done one. Sorry, I'm sorry, Nancy.
I can't see anything. There we go. Done. Your
We
turn.
play quick these rounds because my mum's.
I want to play with the squishy.
Okay.
So you get to look.
I want you to look. I just want you to look.
Okay, close your eyes.
I'm gonna let you be good.
Okay.
I want this one. I don't know why. I'm switching again.
Have you seen what I've been getting?
No, because I've been drinking like this. Oh my god, guys! I got the chocolate bar, so I'm with 4 points.
I'm on 3. But this is I think I just popped it. This is a good squishy.
So I got the slow riser, slow riser, slow, 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 slow.
I don't like.
riser.
Right, go on then, you choose the squishy. I've got 1, 2, 3 points.
We can end the video here, actually. Guys.
No, one more round.
No, because we only have these left. So this is the end of the video. And yeah, bye guys.
Bye bye.